Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be going under the hood of Project Prelude. So for a while now, I've been having this issue of not having VTEC. I mean, I've got a Honda and my VTEC not working. But it's also been other issues that it took a while for me to put it all together that this could be the issue. And what I'm talking about is the vehicle speed sensor. Periodically, sometimes the speedometer will go out, and also I've noticed when the speedometer ain't working, I get a check engine light once I get around like 45, 5,000. Wherever the VTEC engagement point is, check engine light comes on. And it only comes on when I hit that point, and it'll stay on until I turn the car off, and then once I start it back up, check engine light gone, which is, I thought was weird. So I'm just doing a little research, trying to see what's going on. Come to find out, Hondas need the vehicle speed sensor in order for VTEC to work. So if you are having an issue with the VTEC and your speedometer doesn't work, and you're also getting a check engine light around the VTEC area, which is like 45, 5,000, whatever it is, 9 times out of 10, it's this. Now you can also just read the check engine light. You can check the check engine light by just jumping off the harness behind the radio. I will leave info in that below. I also only paid like $10 for this off Amazon, so I'm gonna test to see if this is any good. Cause if it's any good, I'm gonna share the link with y'all. I mean, $10 speed sensor, so there it is. So let's go ahead and get under this hood and let's swap this out. All right, so the first thing y'all are gonna wanna do is disconnect y'all battery. And if y'all remember from one of my previous videos, I put these click connects on, and this was the reason why. Easy. So next, your vehicle speed sensor on. This is a 93 Prelude VTEC with the manual transmission. Let me see if I can get a good view. So right there where those yellow, blue, I think that's black wires are coming off of, that is your vehicle speed sensor. That is on the back of the transmission, and it's like kind of a pain in the ass area, but I already tried to get this long ass extension and it seemed like it's gonna work with a swivel head. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the camera back on a tripod, and we're gonna get this bad boy out. It's only 2 bolts, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now we're under the hood. Like I said, it's kind of a boo-boo area, but you know, I literally got y'all on the tripod on top of the engine. This is the best I can do, so you know, bear with me. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this connector off first before we take it out. So let's go ahead and do that. Just go ahead and reach down and in there. Okay, so after further investigation, I'm looking at the top of it, and it doesn't look like it has that same connector as the old one, or as the new one. I mean, right here, this connector. I'm gonna just go ahead and attempt to try to pull it out, take those 2 bolts out and see what's going on, go from there. I mean, these old ass cars, it's the parts, man. All right, so I finally got it out, but before we discuss that, I wanted to let y'all know that I had to just take the bolts out for the shifter bracket right here. I'm pointing, like literally my index finger is on it. There's 2 bolts right here, and then there's one there right where my fingers at, straight down. It's 3 bolts, and you're able to just move the bracket towards the passenger side, and that gives you a lot more room to work with. So I would highly recommend to do that. Now, I'm looking at these, and I'm like, wait, are these different? And from second glance, I don't believe that they're different. This don't have a pigtail, while this one does. But they look identical. Even the little pin that goes inside, it fits both, and it's spinning fine. I'm gonna just go ahead and send it. I'm gonna put this one in and hope for the best. Maybe it's one of the things where it got remanufactured and they probably figured out that this is a better way instead of having this pigtail. It was the same thing with the oil sender or the oil sensor. When I changed it, it was a little bit different, but it still worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy in, and we gonna hope for the best. All right, so I just got the new one in. All I gotta do is just bolt it down. Like I say, it fits like literally perfect. At first I thought it was like maybe that one was for like the automatic transmission, but like I said, I feel like they probably just like remanufactured it. It was like, you know what, it's probably best to just not have that pigtail, but instead just plug directly into the harness. Alright, so next I'm just gonna go ahead and get my shifter bracket all bolted back up, and it's time to test it. Alright, so I got her fired up. I know she's kinda loud. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, get some VTEC clips, and we go ahead and wrap this up. Hopefully it fixed it. Alright, so I'm back. I'm actually leaving the gas station. I needed some gas. And I can confirm that it did fix the problem. The little $10 piece from Amazon actually did it. I swear to God, Amazon might be the new eBay, because they be coming in clutch. They get it to me quick, cheap, and it worked. So that's, I mean, what more can I ask for? Woo! Shit! So as you can see, it's working. Don't get me wrong, the car is still slow as hell, but I do feel like it's a little bit quicker than it was before. I guess that's really it. I really want to do this video. I know it was short and like quick and just like simple, but like I said earlier in the video, it's not that much information about the speed sensor. Actually, it's not a lot of information about a lot of these little particular things about this car. So if I run into the issue and I need to fix it, I'll just want to document it, you know, for other people who in the same boat as me. I was on YouTube trying to find information. I really couldn't find nothing like useful. So I hope this was useful for you guys. If you guys are having that same issue, hopefully it fixed it. I don't have a check engine light anymore. That backfire is obnoxious. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave some comments if you guys have any questions, or if you guys just want to have a conversation. I answer all questions. Also make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.